Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them like a pro. Today, we're diving into how to turn on AirPlay on LG OLED TV 2025. If you own a 2025 LG TV and want to seamlessly stream content from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you're in the right place. AirPlay is a fantastic feature that lets you mirror your screen or play videos directly on your TV, making movie nights or presentations a breeze. But first, let's make sure you're set up for success. Before we jump in, ensure your LG OLED TV is updated to the latest software. Head to Settings, Support, Software Update to check. Also, confirm that your TV and your Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a smooth connection. Alright, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Grab your LG remote and press the home button to go to the main screen. Step 2. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the settings icon, usually found in the top right or left corner. Select it with the OK button. Step 3. In the settings menu, scroll down and select General or Connections, depending on your TV model. Step 4. Look for Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, or Screen Share. It might be under a sub-menu like External Access. Once you find it, select it and toggle the switch to turn on AirPlay. Step 5. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup, like agreeing to terms or entering a code. That's it. Now, to test it out, go to your iPhone or iPad, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, tap the screen mirroring icon, and select your LG TV from the list. You should see your device's screen appear on your TV. If you encounter any issues, like connection problems, try restarting both your TV and your device, or double-check your Wi-Fi settings. AirPlay works best on stable networks, so keep that in mind. There you have it. Enabling AirPlay on your LG OLED TV is quick and easy, enhancing your home entertainment setup. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.